presenting a pre-owned 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 124,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, power steering, airbags, and anti-lock brakes.